All right, guys. This is my first time making a video on how to do some repairs for drywall. I forgot to record the beginning of this repair, but I'm recording now. I'll upload some pictures if you want to see the existing hole. They have put sheet metal to cover this wall. I'll show it to you in the pictures, but this is how you repair it properly. That's what I think is properly. I cut a piece of 5/8 drywall, drill the circle, a 5-inch circle, and I'm gonna put a plate right here, something like that, but I'll just show you later on the update. So this is how this wall looks right now. And when it's done, you will see the pictures or the video I'm gonna upload. And leave some comments if you want me to keep making videos on how to repair. I'm gonna try to get better on recording the beginning process, and we'll go from there. And here's the other wall I'm gonna show you that I'm repairing. It has a whole bunch of nail holes, but I'm gonna wet sand it and then spray some texture on it, and I'll keep you guys updated with the repair. Okay guys, I'm gonna put some of this quick dry patch. Try to start covering all the drywall that I just put in here, and that mesh tape to cover the joints right here. Just do that, cover the joints. You can start feathering it in. Okay. Here's what I'm using. I'm not sponsored. I just like this material, and I add a little bit of water to it, just a little bit. Mix it up. Put it right there. Okay, we can let this dry right now for now. Let it dry for a while, and then you could do I like to sponge sand. It's a little less messier, and the feathering comes out better, but it's up to you guys how you want to do it. But right now how it looks is just, it's gonna start drying. You can't get it perfect the first time, You could probably, but it takes some practice. Okay, guys, getting a little better there. Let me cover his edges. We're gonna let it dry for a little bit. It'll get better on my second coat. Okay, here's another update. I did the rest of the wall. I didn't record it though. I need to get a tripod. I use a step ladder to get up there. But you're waiting for it to dry. Just sprayed wall texture. I use this one right here. Once again, I'm not sponsored by none of this material that I use. I just like to use this kind. And I just kind of feather all around the wall after I wet sanded it. Still drying. Yeah. This is how it looks with the texture. Then I'm gonna knock it down with a knife, as I have right here. Just waiting for it to dry a little bit more. Then I'm gonna scrape it slightly down, just run it through. And then I got the first coat on this side too. Just give it the first coat, let it dry, use it as a primer, then do a second, third coat.